Okay, what's up YouTube? Finally the part that I'm waiting arrives. It's the MICU for Honda, and I think it's called the box assembly fuse. So this is where the mission coil, accessories, all of the controls, all of the sensors, alarms goes to this. And when this gets corroded due to exposure to moisture, cold weather, there are ICs inside here. There are components inside here that gets corroded. And once it gets corroded, it gets shorted. Okay, what's this fix? This part can fix alarm that always goes off, door that won't close, door that won't open, a lock that always trying to lock when you're running, when you're running at like 10-15 miles an hour. It will lock, and then it will unlock, and then it will lock, and then it will unlock. And you can't, the rear door doesn't lock and doesn't make any alarm sound when you press the lock button. It means the car is not arming. Your interior lights is blinking. Your headlights is blinking. Your power windows doesn't close or doesn't open. This fixes all those things. So technically, if you buy a new one, don't buy a used one, because the difference is only $10. You already have a clue where are the screws are. 1, 2, 3. There's 1, 4, and 1 here. This is on the by the door jam, I think. So let's go and try to replace this. Let's pop the hood, disconnect the battery. Okay, so this is the MICU, or the box, or the fuse box that we're going to replace. So we have to remove this, because that goes all the way here. So we have to take this off, and probably this. So we won't misplace the relays as we remove this. We're gonna transfer it here. There's 2 more. use this to pry it underneath this one, the notch. I did it underneath, easy. There's a tab. And do the rest of the green connectors. Connectors has a locking mechanism, so when you press this, it comes up and you can pull that out. Show you. It's here. No. Then we just okay for this yellow tab goes here. There's a push like a spring type. To push that up. To take that out. Same thing with this. Okay, based on the new one, this MICU is being held by 2 bolts only. One here and one on the back. So one here and one way up there. Mine is a 10. Finally got the last bolt out from that point. Here it goes all the way there. See that hole? And after replacing the MICU, there's also another one spot. This is the spare tire well. And if you go look at here, this cable is notorious for getting corroded. So first we have to get a screw or a long nose plier, get this clip out, and we're gonna clean the connections. I use the QD electronic cleaner and a small toothbrush. Clean it nice and clean. Nice and clean. So tighten this. This is notorious for getting loose. And this is your grounding. So you need to tighten that. Make sure everything is grounded. And this is the rear part on the right side of the car. This is the rear MICU. We also have to check this. Clean the terminals. Look for some water damage. Make sure to tighten all the groundings. There's one there, and there's one here. This is the rear MICU taking apart, and I'm gonna repload this with heat gun. It's notorious for loose connections. Should be flat. If you have resin flow, buy some resin flow. It's like grease that protects the board, and then heat it with a heat gun. Make sure it's nice and flat, and let's apply some heat. Make sure the board is flat. It will resolder those micro pins